Study reproduction. What is reproduction? The production of individuals or offsprings from the parents is called reproduction. यानी कि वालिदैन जो अफज़ाइश नस्ल करते हैं उसको रिप्रोडक्शन कहते हैं. ये रिप्रोडक्शन ह्यूमन बींग्स में भी होती है, एनिमल्स में भी होती है एंड प्लांट्स में भी होती है. नाउ आई विल टेल यू दैट how many types of reproductions are there. Broadly speaking, reproductions are of two types. First is asexual reproduction. Here the word a means absence. A, this means absence, and sexual means of sexes. So in asexual reproduction there is absence of sexes. Absence of sexes means that the same plant will produce its organisms or individuals or offspring, right? यानी कि उसी प्लांट में से, और अगर एनिमल्स का केस लेंगे तो उसी एनिमल में से जो है उसके किसी एक हिस्से से उसके ऑर्गेनिजम्स डेवलप होंगे, यानी कि दो पेरेंट्स की ज़रूरत नहीं होती है, जैसा कि वील स्टडी इन सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन. सेक्सुअल मीन्स दैट इज it involves sexes. Here, new organisms are formed by the fertilization of gametes. The male will produce sperm. This is the nucleus in the sperm, and the number of chromosomes in the nucleus is N. While female will produce egg, and it is also a nucleus whose number is N. And during reproduction, the number of chromosomes is reduced to half, as we have studied in meiosis. So the zygote formed will have 2N. That is the chromosomal combination of both male, that is father, and female, that is mother. So zygote, after repeated divisions and developmental procedures, it will then develop into embryo, and embryo will form an individual. So this is the explanation of the sexual reproduction. Now we shall study the different types of the asexual or vegetative reproductions. Vegetative reproduction is basically asexual reproduction, and now we'll study it in plants. So the very first method is tuber. We take an example of potato tuber. On the potato there are different birds formed, and these birds can be withdrawn from the potato and sown into the soil. What happens? Every bird develops into a new potato. That is, for the convenience of your understanding, I would like to say in Urdu that इसके ऊपर से जो बर्ड होता है उसको अगर आप तार के ज़मीन में सो कर दें, दैट इज़ भरे कर दें ज़मीन के अंदर, तो इट विल देन डेवलप इनटू अ न्यू पोटैटो. So this is a asexual reproduction. As I have just told you that in the asexual reproduction, the two parents are not involved. Only a single parent is able to produce its offspring. Second, runners. Runners in plants, we must have seen the mother plant, and when its roots they get buried in the soil, the things that are going to happen is that it will then form a new plant. The part of that buried part of the root will develop into a new plant. Then root will again proceed to another place, and then again it will form a plant here. Then after some time the connection, sometimes it is connection is lost and they become individual plants and independent plants. That is, they get detached after some time from the mother plant, उससे detach हो जाते हैं and अलग से एक नया plant बन जाते हैं. So this is the runner in asexual reproduction. Then another method of asexual reproduction is bulb. What is bulb? Bulb is actually a sort of fleshy leaves. These are present, and these fleshy leaves, what they do is that they store the food. What they do is that in the fleshy leaves they store the food, and onion is the best example of bulbs. The fleshy leaves in onion, they store the fruit. Then plantlets. What are they? They are basically the small parts which are present at the margins of the leaves. We can see it here. These are the plantlets, and these plantlets, what they do, they, if they are detached from the leaf and they are planted in the soil, they again become an independent plant. अगर इसको उतार के आप ज़मीन में लगा दें किसी भी एक हिस्से को, तो what will they do is that they will become an independent या खुद मुख्तार प्लांट बन जाते हैं. And on the leaf surface अगर ये present होते हैं, then too they will enlarge in size and develop into a plant, complete plant performing the independent function.